How often should you be posting on LinkedIn for LinkedIn marketing to work for you? My name is Louise Brogan. I'm a LinkedIn consultant and trainer and host of the LinkedIn with Louise podcast. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about how often you should be posting on LinkedIn and what else should you be doing on your LinkedIn that's really going to help you escalate your profile and your business by using LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm sharing a video every single week and I'd love to have you subscribe. So hit the button subscribe below so you don't miss any of these weekly little training videos. So LinkedIn is not like other social media websites, which you'll be glad to hear. You don't need to be posting every single day. If you look at statistically in 2021, there are about 720 million LinkedIn accounts, of which about 250 are considered active users. Of all of those people, only 3 million people are sharing content on LinkedIn on a monthly basis. So by the very nature of posting anything on your LinkedIn account, you are actually in the top 1% of LinkedIn users. So it's not like going on Instagram where you have to be consistently posting on your Instagram stories throughout the day in order to build your presence or profile on this platform. And it's not like Facebook where you may be sharing content on your Facebook page and not getting a lot of response to people who are who are watching your content over there. So on LinkedIn, my advice is that you should share a post, a content piece on your personal profile twice a week. So aim for 2 posts a week that start conversations with your network on your LinkedIn personal profile. When do you post these conversation starters on LinkedIn? Think about your network, your audience, and when they are online. I was just talking to a client who is telling me that they don't go near their social media until the evening because otherwise they would get too distracted at going down rabbit holes. So the best time to reach that person would actually be in the evening time. Also, where are your audience? I am based in the UK, but a lot of my network are in the US. So if I post something at 9 or 10 in the morning in the UK, the chances are that most of my US network aren't going to see it. Whereas if I post slightly later in the day, say 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm much more likely to get engagement and comments from my American audience. So think about your network and your audience when they're online and try and test out different times of the week to share your content. But starting with 2 posts a week is a really good way to get going. Now, I also suggest you have a LinkedIn company page and we will talk more about that in another video. The posting for that is also different. Okay, hit subscribe. If you've got any questions, let me know below. I'd love to help you out with your LinkedIn questions. And come and connect with me over on LinkedIn, Louise Brogan, linkedin.com/in/Louise Brogan. I'll see you over there.